Check out this new Tesla Model Y L. L stands for long, is longer than your normal Model Y. So this has the new spoke wheels with fully cover, this deck spoiler that extend glass to spoiler, and this Y new emblem, YYY. So why are they doing this? New bucket seats for the front driver and passenger. Passenger rear seats now include a third row, 6-seater, 2 captain chair for the second row. Now, we're going to check this out and we're going to show you what we feel about this new L. Will it be popular for the new consumer or existing Model Y consumer? I think the 6-seater is something that you want to consider, especially if you have 4 or more in your family. So taking passenger around, like your parents or even friends or relatives, when you go out for a small gathering, you can just take one vehicle. The exterior looks very similar to that of the Tesla Model Y 5-seater. You do have different wheels and you have a longer wheelbase. So from the front seats to the middle seats, there are captain chairs, and you now have armrests for the second row, unlike the Model X. So all the complaints and issues the Model X has been addressed in the Model YL. So these are automatic armrests that extend up when you want it to, or retract when you don't need it, so you prefer more of an open space. 6-seater is always the way to go with the Model X. 7-seater, nobody really used the third row because the seat for the second row is not automatic folding. So for the Y now, it actually flows flat, so you can actually store things and not have to worry about getting a 7-seater, especially if you haul long cargo. And it's all automatically. It can be controlled from the rear, from the center screen, or the front screen, as well as your app. So everything is automatic, including the third row seat. Even the gravity for the Lucid is not automatic. You manually have to fold the third row. So Tesla made the seats to be automatic for all seats. You can also control the lumbar as well as the leg extension. So this is the first for Tesla. You only see this in BMW and Mercedes, and now it is available for the Model Y L. You also have adjustable headrests. So Tesla had this in the X and the S, the original gen, but now they brought it back. So every other Tesla since the original S and X did not have adjustable headrests anymore. So with the adjustable headrests, 6-seaters, and armrests for the second row, deck spoiler, magnetized subcompartment, this is a perfect Model Y. Any SUV will have a hard time competing with this one, even the Model X. What do you think? Comment below.